Hi, my name is Celine, and I work at the Boulder Public Library. Today we are going to assemble our Balloon Botany kits. In your kit, you should have a balloon, some soil, a funnel, and some seeds. To assemble your kit, take your balloon and put it over the funnel. It might help to have an adult or older sibling do this. Next, put a little bit of soil into the funnel to go into your balloon. During this step, it might help to have a pencil or something nearby to push the soil down into your balloon. It might get stuck. All right, once your soil is in your balloon, next add just a little bit of water. And you'll see the water start to fill in the balloon. Next, add your seeds. I am going to start with 2 seeds and see how that works. So I have my 1 and 2. Now that everything is in your balloon, take the funnel off and blow your balloon up. That looks good. Next, tie your balloon shut. And hang your balloon in a sunny window. Observe and watch what happens for the next few days and weeks. Write it down in your journal like a real scientist. Enjoy!